In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure your Firefox add-on is both enabled and easily accessible right from your browser's toolbar. This is a handy skill to have, as it ensures you're making the most out of your add-ons, enhancing your browsing experience. First things first, let's dive into how you can open the Extensions menu. So, you'll want to start by launching Firefox on your computer. Once you have the browser open, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a menu icon that looks like three stacked lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Give that a click. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Add-ons and Themes and select it. This is where you can manage all the extensions you have installed on Firefox. Now, let's ensure that your add-on is enabled. In the Add-ons Manager screen, take a look at the left sidebar, where you'll find several options. Click on Extensions, and you'll see a list of all the extensions installed on your browser. Find the add-on you're focusing on today and check its status. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Make sure this switch is turned on. If it's blue, that means it's enabled and ready to use. Next, it's time to customize your toolbar. This will give you quicker access to your add-on whenever you need it. To do this, right-click on your browser's toolbar. It's the strip at the top where your tabs are displayed. From the context menu that appears, select Customize Toolbar. This will open a panel with various icons, including those associated with your add-ons. Locate the button for your particular add-on here. If you can't find it on the toolbar, simply click and drag it from the panel onto the toolbar. This customization allows you to access it with just a click whenever you're using Firefox. Once you've arranged your toolbar to your liking, click Done to save your changes and exit the customization mode. With these adjustments made, it's a good idea to go ahead and restart Firefox. This quick step helps in applying all the changes you've just made. Close the Firefox browser completely and then reopen it again. You should now see your add-on button right where you placed it on the toolbar, waiting for you to use it. And finally, just a quick note. If for any reason the button still doesn't appear in your toolbar after following these steps, consider removing the add-on and reinstalling it. You can do this by navigating back to the Extensions menu, removing the add-on, and then visiting the Firefox add-ons store to install it afresh. This can resolve any unforeseen issues and ensure that everything functions smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Firefox experience.